Kennametal allied machine, Royal 5th axis. We got our 5-axis demo running here. Sandvik. We have IMCO right here. And we got Blaser over here. Had a really good show. Thanks everybody for coming out. We're gonna draw some names here. Drum roll, please.
Da, 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 da.
Paul Graver from Mancor.
Oh, nice.
Ah, nice, Paul.
Nice.
Got yourself a grill. And then the next one of those goes to John Jensen from Neskavik Custom Machine.
Oh, good.
So
Good.
congratulations.
Well, he's going to be busy this weekend smoking on the grill.
So congratulations. Thanks everybody for coming.